Ready to boost your followers? So, you may be wondering, how do you grow your social media followers fast? Step 1. Engage with your audience. Seriously, it's not called social media for nothing. Reply to comments, ask questions in your posts, and get involved in conversations. Step 2. Post consistently. Think of it like watering a plant. No water, no growth. Aim for at least 3-4 times a week. Step 3. Use hashtags wisely. Don't just throw in #blessed and call it a day. Use relevant and trending hashtags to get discovered by new people. Quick example. If you're a foodie, use hashtags like #foodielife or #instaeats. Step 4. Collaborate with others. Find creators in your niche and team up for shoutouts or guest posts. Network makes a dream work. And lastly, Step 5. Analyze and adapt. Use insights and analytics tools to see what's working and what's not. If your cat videos are getting more likes than your dog ones, you know what to do. So there you have it. Engage, post, hashtag, collab, and analyze. Follow these steps and watch your followers soar. Happy posting.